Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we are watching the beautiful lighting designs for our home because lighting plays a crucial role in interior designs. It has the power to transform a room by creating ambience, enhancing colors and textures, and highlighting the architectural features. So understanding the science behind the lighting and its impact on a space can help homeowners and designers create a functional and inviting atmosphere in any room. So in this video we will discuss the different types of lighting designs of the functional lighting for various spaces and how to choose the right light for your home. So first, understanding the role of lighting in interior design. When designing a space, lighting should always be a consideration. It not only helps with visibility but also set the mood, creates ambience. But lighting is more than just flicking a switch. It requires careful planning to ensure that the light fixtures, light source, light levels complement the room purpose and design style. Lighting can make or break a space. So, well lit room can be feel spacious and inviting. So, while a poorly lit room can make it feel cramped and uninviting. So, it is therefore essential to understand the role of lighting in interior design. The science behind lighting and mood. Light can affect our moods and behavior. Bright, cool tone light can increase the focus and concentration, while dimmer, warmer lighting can induce relaxation and calmness. This means that lighting can be used to create a different moods in different space. Example, an energizing study room or a cozy living room. So there are the types of lighting in interior designs. There are the main three types of lighting in interior design: ambient, task, and ancient lighting. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination to a room. Task lighting is directed to specific areas to aid in tasks, and accent lighting highlights objects, artworks, or other specific features. Ambient lighting can be achieved through ceiling fixtures, chandeliers, or wall sconces. Task lightings can be provided by desk lamps, reading lamps, or under cabinet lighting, or of picture lights. So, balancing natural and artificial light sources. Another aspect of lighting to consider is balancing natural and artificial light source. Natural lighting can be provided an array of benefits from vitamin D to energy deficiency. However, it also poses challenges as the angle and intensity of natural light changes throughout the day. So there are the impact of room lightings on colors and textures. Lights can have a significant impact on the look and feel of colors and textures in a room, whether it enhances or distracts from them. So understanding how lighting affects your furniture piece and accent walls can help to make the most of a room color scheme and textures. Lighting can greatly enhance a room color scheme. Cool tone lights can bring out the blue and green tones in a space. while warm tone light can bring out the yellows, orange and reds. So it is also important to consider the light temperature and the type of bulb when selecting lighting to enhance the color scheme. The light create the depth and dimensions. The light can create depth and dimension in a space by highlighting the certain areas or adding a shadow to others. For instance, directional lighting can help to create a sense of depth in your room, highlighting textures and shape in an object or artwork. So choosing the right light fixtures is an essential to create a harmonious look in a room. It involves selecting the appropriate fixture styles, considering fixture size and placement, and exploring the energy efficient lighting options. Select the appropriate fixture styles. The fixture style should match the room design style, whether it's modern, traditional, or electric. The style includes the fixture materials, colors, and shapes. In this video, there you can see there are the beautiful lighting designs for your walls, ceilings with different designs. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to select the best lighting for your home. So if you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Thank